Hi there, I'm Trevor Blumenau, CEO of Voodoo Robotics. Just wanted to share with you a quick demo of our new modern devices. These are our pick-to-light devices behind me here. They feature front-facing buttons that you can light up in a variety of colors. I'll show you more in some future demos, but right now I just wanted to show you our Excel pick list demo in which you can populate the content on those devices. Just shows you how easy it is to interface with our devices. Here I'm running Excel, and you can see I highlighted the device ID column, and I'm just going to use a regular scan gun and scan in these different device IDs. And once you've got those scanned in, you can come in here and you can add a location name. I'm just going to use capital letters here to indicate locations. As I'm typing these in, you can actually see over my shoulder they're being sent to the devices. So let's add some static information here. Put in some information like Voodoo Robotics, and we'll say point to the top with an icon and put a QR code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put in something that looks like a SKU number 1003-987. Okay, and you can actually see without any wires, our devices are actually updating dynamically. There's the third line that I just added. You can push the button to see what the location is, and these run on 2 AAA batteries. As you can see, you can load them from the bottom. The batteries run for forever. Really, really efficient devices. We're just making these available. They just came on the market. If you're interested, please give us a call at voodoorobotics.com. You can look us up, and we're happy to talk to you about your specific needs in your warehouse. Take care and have a good day.